I'm going to fit a original BMW Mini stereo, because when I purchased this car there was no stereo fitted. So to fit it, first, as in the previous video, remove the bezel around the instrument cluster, and you will find two Torx screws on each support, and they are T40s. So one, two, and just pull away and pull up. As simple as that. And then you can get to the screws for the stereo, heating control and switch panel. I'm going to replace the switch panel because this is loose, as you can see. So I'll replace that. It looks like at some point there was an aftermarket stereo in here because there's an adapter plate which is broken. Again, once you remove the support on that side, do the same for this side to expose the screws on that side. To remove this switch panel, there is two T20 Torx screws. So let's go ahead and remove them. One. Two. And we should pull away and unclip. And just undo the plug, press the tab, pull the lever back, and it pops straight out. And well, yeah, it's broken. The only difference is that I've noticed for the ABS on here is ASC, and on the replacement I have, it says DSC. It's a bog standard switch, so in theory it should work. So what do? I will plug it in and I will check to make sure that it actually works first. So same as before. Plug it in, clip it back, turn the ignition on, and it should, and it does work. Electric windows, yep, locks, fog lights, hopefully up, yep. Right. Screw that back into place and then move on to this bezel, the stereo. Remove this, don't need this, this is aftermarket. Once you have removed the four screws holding this bezel in place, should, yeah, pop out and do. Now, I've been informed that these head units, stereos, are required to be programmed to the vehicle. So I have not tested this theory yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it straight in and see what it does. So it's a quad lock fitting, push in and push the lever down until it clips into place, and plug the antenna or aerial in. Now on the back of this there's a little screw plug thing with a little clip for the cable, so I'm going to unscrew that. Push the cable down, then screw the little plug on the top. I should hold the cable in tight, and then offset, oh, drop it. Is it offset in there? Yeah, it is offset in there. And now plug it in. Find out where it's supposed to go. Ooh. Oh, it worked. Let's turn it off. Yeah, that's in. That's in. Yeah, that's in. It was all right. Yeah.
He's madness now.
It actually works. Steel box on. Ignition on. Off. Yep, it works. So, debunks that theory. These units don't require to be programmed to the car or coded to the car. Plug and play. Next, screw it back in, fit the two supports and the bezel, job done. And there you have it. All finished.